Oh my goodness. I should have known that Bobby was going to pick a dog themed song. Oy, oy, oy. I hope that you guys enjoyed the shake break. Let's go ahead and do our emotions check in. I know that we skipped that a ton last week. Let's make sure that we are ready to learn. We're going to check in with our heads and with our bodies, make sure that we are ready to focus. Go ahead and close those eyes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. I realized that I was hunched, so I'm also sitting up a little straighter now. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take a few seconds to ask yourself how you're feeling. You don't have to say it out loud. Think about how your body's feeling, how your brain is feeling, whether you are ready to learn. Slowly open your eyes. I hope you guys are ready to go. Let's go ahead and look at this morning message. Now remember, you can either just follow along with your eyes or you can read with me. My mouse is under the word good. Let's go ahead. Good morning, future second graders. Time for another round of Show What You Know. Show what you know, show what you know. We got another round, another game of Show What You Know. We are gonna look at a bunch of second grade questions because y'all, we gotta figure out if you are actually ready to go to second grade. If you think you're ready for second grade, tap your head. If you think you're ready for second grade, bang on your chest. If you think you're ready for second grade, say, Miss Schwartz, come on. All right, guys, chill out. I'm going, okay? You don't have to yell. Our first question says, circle the sentence that is a complete sentence. Now, obviously, you're not just gonna like circle your tablet or circle your phone screen. You can just go ahead and point with your finger. Point to the sentence that is a complete sentence. My dad will eat and. I like to eat. Sky eat. Which sentence is a complete sentence? Make sure that you are pointing because I am going to give away the answer in 3, 2. Did you do it? Why is that the right answer? That is the right answer because it's the only sentence that is a complete thought. None of the other sentences make sense. My dad will eat and. Huh? Sky eat. What? None of those are complete thoughts. I don't know what they mean. I like to eat. That is a complete thought. That makes sense. Say on to the next one. Math question. 300 plus 10 equals. Go ahead and point with your finger to the answer. 300 plus 10 equals. Make sure you are there because I am giving the answer away in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Everybody should have put their finger on 310. Remember, a plus sign doesn't mean that we're just squishing numbers together. It means that we're taking one number and adding it to the other number. If I take 300 and I add it to 10, I get 310. I'm adding the values together. Say, next one. Next one. Ooh, these ones are super hard. In the sentence, a word needs to be changed to make it correct. Circle the word. One of these words makes the sentence wrong. The sentence says, Sam will ran and play. Which word needs to be fixed? Everybody should have pointed to the word ran. Ran is wrong because ran is the past tense. Say past tense. Past tense. Sam will ran doesn't make sense because when I hear the word will, I know that it's something that's happening in the future. Sam will ran. Something can happen in the future and in the past tense, so that must be the mistake. Say, next question. Ooh, we were just learning about this before we went into online learning. Choose the correct symbol. 12 blank 21. Which symbol should replace the question mark to make this statement true? 12 blank 21. I'm going to give away the answer. Make sure you are pointing in 3, 2, 1. 12 is less than 21. Remember, the alligator mouth, which is right here, always wants to face the bigger number because it wants to eat the most food it can get. 12 is not the greater number. So the alligator is not going to want to face 12. It's going to want to face 21. Ooh, I love this question. Write the words in the correct order. Now, these are all sight words. I'm not going to read the words to you. I'm going to give you a few extra seconds to figure out how you can put these words in the correct order. 7. Did you get it right? We can see him. That's the only way that these words make sense together. We can see him. That is a complete sentence and a complete thought that makes sense. Ooh, how many in all? Now, I should not see any Kipsters trying to count each individual square. No, no, no. We all know how to count the fast way to figure out how many in all. Make sure that you are doing the counting right now. Pointing to the answer in. The answer is 111. Watch how I count. I'm gonna use my mouse so you can see what I'm looking at. 100, switch. Now remember, I'm saying switch because I'm counting now by tens. I was counting by hundreds, but now I'm switching and counting by tens. I'm gonna start over. 100, switch, 110, switch. Why did I switch again? I switched again because I'm not counting by tens anymore. Now I'm counting by ones, so I had to switch another time. Let's start over. You can count with me now. 100, 110, 111. Let's do it one more time. 100, 110, 111. So everybody should have pointed to the number 111. Ooh, color. Well, we're not going to color. We're not going to color in our tablets or our phones. Point to the compound word. This should be super easy for everyone. Point to the compound word. Snake, apple, doghouse. Everybody should have pointed to doghouse because we all know that a compound word is two words that are put together to make a longer word. What are the two words in doghouse? Everybody should have said dog, house, doghouse. Let's do that again. Last question. Last question, guys. Which clock says 4:30? 5 seconds to figure this one out. Make sure you're looking at all of the clocks. Make sure you're pointing to your answer. The last clock says 4:30. Remember, the hour hand is the shorter hand. So I need to make sure that the hour hand is pointing to 4. And the minute hand is the longer hand. When the minute hand, when the minute hand points to 6, that means 30. So this clock says 4:30. All right, future second graders, do you feel like you're ready for second grade? Did you get all the answers right? Did you get some of them right? Did you get any of them right? If you got 1 right, give yourself 1 clap. If you got 2 right, give yourself 2 claps. If you got 3 right, give yourself 3 claps. If you got 4 right, give yourself 4 snaps. If you got 5 right, give yourself 5 fist bumps. If you got more than 5, say, oh yeah. Say, oh yeah. All right, guys, we are gonna go ahead, move over onto the table for some sight words. I am really excited about sight words today because we've got some super fun props that we're gonna use. See you guys in just a second.